Namaste. A warm welcome to everyone with this new avatar of Future Bites with more news and action. I am Priya.
And I am Shantanu. So friends, just sit back and enjoy the roller coaster ride filled with fun and information at the group.
In our new segment Shop Talk, we bring you all the new excitement of a recently concluded Big Day sale at our major formats.
Yes, the Sabse Saste 3 Din at Big Bazaar, the blindfold sale at E-Zone and the happiness sale at Central has made our customers' smiles wider.
Totally. We have our employee journalists stationed at these formats to bring in all the action. Let's go to Tushar at Big Bazaar Kandivali to bring in the details of Sabse Saste 3 Din.
Thank you guys. Namaste. सबसे सस्ते 3 दिन बिग बाजार के सबसे सस्ते 3 दिन शुरुआत हुई है आज से 24, 25, 26 जनवरी 2015 and today is the first day. I would say like every year the kind of response we have got is superb. It is overwhelming. The customers who are coming into our stores are in huge numbers. At this point in time, I would say not less than 15,000 customers have visited Kandivali Big Bazaar. And in these 3 days, we will clock at least not less than 75,000 customers.
एक खाने का चीज के ऊपर ज़्यादा ऑफर है।
कम रेट में मिलता है यहाँ पे सामान।
सब आधा कीमत है, सब कुछ बराबर है। अच्छा कुछ फैमिली के 2-3 महीने के लिए चल जाता है।
The best happiness for me as a store manager, you see those happy customers. The customers बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी मिलती है उनको देखने से कि जो the kind of aspirational products they have never thought they could able to buy, they could get this aspirational product at the best price.
मेरा मेन प्रोडक्ट्स जो रहते हैं बेबी प्रोडक्ट्स होता है क्योंकि मेरा 1.5 साल का बच्चा है और बाकी बिस्किट्स एंड कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स एंड वो सब होता है और सभी चीज़ों पे बहुत अच्छा सेल होता है.
We have been visiting Big Bazaar for quite long years, I mean. So this is quite awesome.
It is actually a team effort. The kind of effort it goes into, to achieve these big numbers is the team who makes it possible for us.
The purchase experience was very good, excellent, and the staff were courteous, and the sales, the enthusiasm the salesman is showing is very good.
We enjoy shopping here because the staff is very courteous.
सबसे बेस्ट है ये 3 दिन तो हमारे लिए.
Thanks Tushar. Now let us join Anil at our fashion hub Central in Goregaon to soak in the action of the happiness sale.
Well, thank you. Hi, this is Anil Dikshit and here we are at Goregaon Central today. As you have seen, there's a lot of buzz happening around in the store in this particular sale period. So come on guys, let's have a look what all is happening over here in the store today. The customers who would shop for above 4,500 of apparels and merchandise, as you can see over here, we are offering additional 5% cashback from Axis Bank. And the same set of customers would also get some additional benefits from Citibank as well if they use their debit card or credit card for the transaction. They can redeem their payback points as well to gain extra benefits. For the convenience of the customers, we have taken a lot of initiatives at the store level. We have put 45 additional cash counters during the sale, during the weekends, big periods. We have put 35 additional trial rooms. So as you can see over here, we are having a lot of good time with the customers. Like men's category has performed the best till now, and the other categories also are picking up very fast.
Now let's bring in the details of our E-Zone blindfold sale from our employee journalist Denzel.
Thanks guys. Once again we are in the BFS season, the blindfold sale. We are in the 7th day of the blindfold sale which started on the 17th of January. It has been very good for us. Initially it was a little slow, but now it has been picked up. We are hoping that we are going to pick up during the next 4 days that is left for the BFS sale to be done.
Moving to our next big highlight, where our group introduced the modern day version of convenience store with the launch of KB's Conveniently Yours.
We have our employee correspondent Parin Shah from the Nepean Sea store to tell us more about the launch.
Thank you guys, this is Parin here. Welcome to KB's Conveniently Yours. Well, what is KB's Conveniently Yours? It's the ultimate neighborhood convenience retail that we're talking about.
Can you explain us what kind of convenience we are talking about?
Well, the best way to explain convenience is really to take you around the store and show it to you. On my left, I have packaged fruits and vegetables, sorted, graded and cleaned and packed and untouched by hand until you take it home yourself. Let me take you further into the store. We have bakery needs, we have breakfast needs, we have ready to eat, we have snacking and munching. If my camera can pan you to the products, you will see the wide range from parathas to cutlets to tikkis. We have a very wide range of noodles and pastas. Then we have a wide range of popcorns, we have soups, and we have a very wide range of sauces and seasonings. Here let me take you to the organic range of products. If my camera can pan through here, we've got entire range of staples in organic form. We've got a very wide range of dry fruits. Then taking you to spices and seasonings and herbs, we've got an extremely wide range of seasonings. We have very impulse chocolates, irresistible chocolates around the store.
Shantanu, what's your idea of flash mob?
Flash mob? Abhi to party shuru hui.
Whoa, okay. Just the mention of flash mob has gotten him going. Let's relive the fun that we had at FRHO and Knowledge House.
It was a Fado performance. Jhakas.
Bindas.
Complete stress buster.
It was amazing experience.
It was amazing to see all the others enjoying our show.
सब एकदम शॉक थे. दे लाइक कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या एकदम सरप्राइज थे उन लोग, क्योंकि ऐसे कभी हुआ नहीं है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम वी हैव डन दिस.
I had a complete, fun time while rehearsing for the actual flash mob and during the actual performance. It was a very energetic show.
Totally. I felt like I want to do this every single day. It was so much of fun.
We connect with our leaders to understand their vision for the group.
We bring to you Sandeep Tarkas, Chief Customer Strategy and Loyalty Program, to know what's next in our loyalty programs.
We all know you've been heading some of the most innovative loyalty programs of the group. Could you give us a sense of how this past 1 year has been for our loyalty programs?
Last year was a really good year for all our loyalty programs. As you know, we have as many as 5 different programs which are operating in the group at the same time concurrently. So first we have Payback, which is the largest base. That's a base of about 17 million, so about 1.7 crore users we have through Payback. Then there is T24, which has got about another 50 lakh users. So another very exciting program that we have is Big Bazaar Profit Club. Now this program is important not just because of its numbers. Numbers are not that big, so we've got about 2 lakh members through Profit Club. But the bigger thing there is that these are customers who are paying you 10,000 rupees in advance or 5,000 now. We've got launched a new version as well. And they're paying that money in advance, so they're likely to come 12 times a year, or at least 11. But what we observed is that they come at least 10 to 12 times a year. So that's another very exciting program. And then there is something that we launched for our vendors and partners. I mean, we have had that program, we are reviving that. That is the Future Privilege program, which is another very interesting program because it can offer EDC-like facility to a large, to a number of our extended family, like our vendors and partners and suppliers, and even large communities or large corporate houses whom you want to essentially get loyal behavior and continuous patronage we want to get. So that is the other program. And last year we also launched a very exciting new program, which is the State Bank of India FBB card.
Would you touch upon the role of store teams and the store kartas in our loyalty programs, because they play a huge role in terms of taking this movement ahead?
I think the store teams have been doing a phenomenal job in terms of getting these customers, making sure that their KYCs are filled and everything is done operationally correct. But the smarter ones among them have already started using data that comes from these customers. They're asking for that data. They're tracking it themselves. They're tracking those numbers every day.
Thank you, Sandeep, very much. Thanks for sharing your insights and the vision ahead and sharing your time with us. Thank you so much.
Future Group, today Seva has become a movement.
Exactly. And starting from this edition, we not just have the Seva activities by the team, but also take a closer look at the Star Sevak of the Month.
मैं अपने मम्मी पापा को जो सेवा देती हूँ, मतलब मैं उनकी जिस तरह से सेवा करती हूँ, मैं उसी तरह से सबको सेवा देना चाहूँगी। ऐसा मेरा जीवन का उद्देश्य होना चाहिए। मेरे बिग बाजार में 2 बुजुर्ग महिलाएं आई हुई थी, जिन्हों को 2 बड़ी साइज की ट्रॉलीज चाहिए। उस ट्रॉली को वो घर मतलब बिग बाजार के बाहर इतनी आसानी से नहीं ले जा सकते, बहुत भीड़ था। तो मैंने अपनी उनको सेवा देने के लिए खुद पर दोनों ट्रॉलीज लेकर उनको गेट के बाहर तक छोड़ा, और उनको वो सेवा इतनी अच्छी लगी कि उन्होंने मुझे एज अ प्राइज मनी देना चाहा, बट वो हमारे रूल्स में नहीं था। मैंने बस उनसे उनका आशीर्वाद ले लिया और उनको बोला कि आप फिर से आइएगा हमारे बिग बाजार। प्लीज सेवा से दूर मत जाइए, सेवा करिए जिससे कस्टमर्स को अच्छा लगे, आपको अच्छा लगे और हमारे बिग बाजार का भी अच्छा हो।
Big Bazaar PCMC Pune celebrated humanity by ushering love on underprivileged children at the Vikas Anant Ashram. The team spent invaluable time with the kids playing fun games, decorating the ashram and distributing gifts and snacks among the staff and children. Our Future Supply Chains team visited the Prem Sadan, Bal Vikas and Desire Society to spread joy and happiness among the underprivileged children. The team contributed generously to raise funds and buy toys, books, stationery and clothes for the kids. These items were donated to the kids at the institute, and the team also spent time with the kids to bring invaluable smiles on their faces.
9th Jan 2015 has been a memorable day for us. Our group's e-newsletter, Future Bytes, completed 400 issues.
Not just that, Brand Factory introduced special privilege for our group employees with unique offers on every Friday in 2015.
January 2015 became a huge day as our group's e-newsletter Future Bytes completed its 400th issue. The e-magazine has served as a common platform for information, sharing of views and highlights of organizational events and growth. This rare achievement was celebrated with a complete revamped look of the weekly e-newsletter magazine, with the highlight being the editorial written by our group CEO Kishore Biyani. Now there is more good news for future employees with Brand Factory's latest initiative, Brand Factory Privilege. The campaign offers a flat 50% discount exclusively for the group employees on one particular brand every Friday, the whole of 2015. The brands that come under this offer include Louis Philippe, Knighthood and Urbana, just to name a few.
Well friends, it's not just the Future Bytes that has gotten its makeover.
Right. In our next segment, Live Fashionably, we have our very own stylist, Nizam and Richa, who will give us some really head-turning fashion tips.
Hi, I'm Nijum.
And myself, Richa.
And you're watching Live Fashionably. On this revamped version of Live Fashionably, we will be giving you a few style tips on how you can use it on your day-to-day life.
इस एपिसोड में आपको बताएंगे how can you use oversized shirt. You can see what Nijum is wearing right now. ये बेसिकली बहुत सिंपल शर्ट है जो आपको इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाएगा घर पे कभी भी. तो इस सिंपल शर्ट को लेकर के आप टक इन करके whatever you are comfortable with, लेकिन आप बाहर भी इसको निकाल के या टक इन करके इसको थोड़ा फेमिनिन बनाने के लिए जो फेमिनिन टचअप है is with this neck piece.
On Richa, as you can see, it's the simplest way of wearing an oversized shirt. You wear a very simple camisole inside, a solid color probably, and on top of that you wear a checkered shirt. And like she's wearing a very sporty look to the whole thing. You can see accents of gold on her shoulder as well. It's a navy and green checks. Another very simple way of styling your oversized shirt is by knotting it up. It's very simple. You can borrow it from your dad, your brother,
anyone, your boyfriend,
your husband, whoever it is. It's easily available. So this is the most simplest way you can style up your day-to-day style. I hope these tips helped you and we see a little change in and around us. And
so till then,
it's bye.
Bye. This brings us to the end of new and exciting edition of Future Bites.
Hope all you had fun watching it. We'll meet next month with more news and happenings. Until then, it's a goodbye. Namaste.
Namaste.